The vision of IIT Bhubaneswar is to be globally well recognized for generating competent and outstanding graduates and to produce research. To make a global class institution, it is important that we have commensurate standards established at this institution for all of its operations. In order to realize this dream, the institute has been trying to rise its standards in education, research, and create the infrastructure and its operations. The pedagogical practices also aim at giving challenging problems to students and also see that the students offer their own solutions to engineering problems and also be creative. The institute could gain significant successes in this direction. The institute has responded positively and there were significant improvements in the standards of the institute and all the fronts I have mentioned. It is very encouraging and certainly it shows that the institute has tremendous potential to place itself amongst the cream of global class institutions in a short time.
As Dean Student Affairs of IIT Bhubaneswar, along with my colleagues designated as Warden and also President Gymkhana, as well as Professor in charge Counseling Services, I do look after the welfare of the students and well-being of the students, and we try to provide holistic environment for the students' growth in both academic and personal categories. And at the same time, we also see that one comfort zone of all the students. Whenever they come to first time to the campus, everybody comes with some kind of fear, especially in the name of ragging. So that's why we do make the campus as ragging-free campus.
I must say IIT Bhubaneswar is a great place. It's trying its best to provide all the opportunities to the students for their overall development, and it's really huge. It's a ragging-free campus, of course, and the seniors here, I find them really very helpful. They are so cooperative.
For any higher education, faculty is one of the core, and IIT Bhubaneswar, of course, is no exception. We have been giving importance to higher high quality faculty that could do cutting edge research, impactful teaching, and they should have long lasting impact in a society.
The education at the institute is holistic. The curricula are very well designed to have depth in a particular domain, have requisite breadth with a lot of courses offered in the form of electives by the side of the domain, to the students. Apart from the classroom education, the institute also encourages the students to excel well in their extracurricular activities. The institute gave a lot of importance to extracurricular activities. The student gymkhana is well defined and so structured to see that the students themselves train their younger counterparts and see that they excel in their chosen other areas.
IIT Bhubaneswar has 7 schools. In each school they are having different academic programs. Total BTech programs at present we are having 6 programs. Total dual degree programs we are having 9. MTech we are having specialization in 14 programs. MSc in 5 programs, and at present we are having 295 PhD scholars in the campus. And IIT Bhubaneswar Academic Affairs is trying its best and putting its effort to make IIT Bhubaneswar's academic curriculum, academic standard at par with the international level.
This institute is reasonably a young institute. However, it has produced 8 batches of bright alumni who are successful within the country and outside the country. Some of the alumni went ahead and became successful entrepreneurs and developed technological solutions like Rajwala, Rapido, which have been awarded and recognized at the national level.
IIT Bhubaneswar is doing extremely well on research front too. The institute identified 10 different very relevant areas for its research thrust and started encouraging its faculty members to do teamwork of global class in these areas. Some of these areas include climate science and extreme events, energy, water, augmented reality and virtual reality, nano and micro science and manufacturing. In these areas and other areas too, the institute envisions itself to do extremely well and create global class centers of excellence in a decade or two to come.
IIT Bhubaneswar, although is very young, has really established a strong credibility in R&D. We have completed more than 250 research projects, and now currently we are having 120 plus research projects going on worth 60 crores. We have collaborations not only in India but also with the partners abroad.
Faculty members are involved in a wide range of research areas such as advanced materials and modeling, artificial intelligence and robotics, automotive and aerospace, advanced manufacturing processes, and have published more than 250 ACI journals and received more than 20 crores of projects.
Currently, the school is addressing lot of emerging social problems such as climate change, air quality, coastal erosion, disasters management such as tropical cyclone, thunderstorms, lightning. In addition to that, we have also group which are working on microseismology as well as coastal aquifer processes.
Also, the excellence in education started yielding results in different ways. Our students have been excelling very well in national level innovation challenges, and on this front our institute is doing much better than some of the senior IITs. Similarly, the students are also getting selected for top multinational industries during their campus selections. On this front too, the institute is doing extremely well, and it is even better than some of the senior institutions already.
Women Welfare Committee IIT Bhubaneswar promotes a healthy working atmosphere to all female employees and students of the institute. We also conduct workshops and training programs at regular interval to create awareness among the employees and students regarding the rights of women at workplace.
So this is the first time that I've been living away from my house, and it's been a great experience here. We still feel safe. And talking about the green campus, it's very beautiful. We get to cycle a lot here, which is a great form of physical exercise. IIT Bhubaneswar has been great for me and I'm loving it here.
I really love the campus for its greenery and especially the hill that's beside our campus. The hostel and the food is way better than what I had expected it to be. This is my first day away from my house in a hostel, and it has really upshot my expectations. We have got a central library from where we can borrow our books related to our studies. There's a lot of encouragement and scope for sports and extracurricular activities here, and there are societies wherein we can explore our other hobbies and interests apart from our normal studies. I'm really loving my stay in IIT Bhubaneswar.
At this location, IIT Bhubaneswar is creating its sports facilities. On my left side is the Student Activity Center, where you have 3 badminton courts, an indoor yoga cum meditation center cum basketball court, and lots of other facilities including squash and for the Gymkhana offices, etc. In December last year, IIT Bhubaneswar could co-host the Inter-IIT Sports Meet in an outstanding manner. Student teams with their sports officers and faculty in charges from 23 IITs participated in the Inter-IIT Sports Meet organized at IIT Bhubaneswar. This is a dream coming true for a new IIT.
Talking about IIT Bhubaneswar, this is a very green campus, and especially you're coming from Delhi, that's a really pollution-free campus. We have super secured hostels and a 24/7 running medical facility, and that's an overall gives a very great experience to be in IIT Bhubaneswar. So I think if you are not here, you are missing something, and if you are overthinking of coming out of home, I tell you this is almost your second home.
We here at Medical Unit of IIT Bhubaneswar, we are working 24/7 with round-the-clock presence of doctors and paramedical staff, and we cater mainly to the students, to the staff, the faculties and the dependents, and also to the housekeeping staff and the serious cases of contract laborers. We are equipped with 8 beds, ECG machine, a nebulizer machine, and we have a state-of-art ambulance for transportation of patients in case of need.
One of the requirements in creating a global class institution is the infrastructure of commensurate classes. Having realized this at IIT Bhubaneswar, we reworked out on the master plan of the campus and started constructing the buildings, the different buildings at global class.
Good administration is vital for efficient functioning of an institute, and recruitment of competent candidates having lots of promotional avenues. They keep themselves well motivated, and they are the ones they are doing their best for the progress of any institution. IIT Bhubaneswar is one of the best national institutes of India.